Question number 4 says that Q bisects PR. And so we remember that bisect means it's two equal pieces. So if I'm going to draw and label a picture here, I have Q bisecting, so exactly in the middle of line segment PR. It didn't necessarily need the arrows at both ends, but this is okay. Bisect means it cuts it into two equal pieces, so I'm going to add tick marks here and here to show that those two segments are the same. And then I'm going to label this. PQ, which is here, is 4R, and PR, which is all the way across, is 96. There's a couple of ways you can think about this problem. If this section is 4R, then this is also 4R, so I could potentially label these as being the same. And know that the two little pieces, 4R plus 4R, add together to be the whole distance, which in this case is 96. So I would add my r's together since they're on the same side of the equal sign. 4r plus 4r is 8r equals 96. Divide both sides by 8, and I get r equals 12. But this asks me to find qr, which is right here, so I'm going to do 4 times 12. So qr equals 4 times 12, or 48. The other way that you could have solved this problem is to realize that if these two pieces are equal and the whole distance across is 96, both pieces should be half of this. And 96 divided by 2 gives me this distance, which is also 48. Question number 5 uses similar vocabulary, but now it's the word midpoint. C is the midpoint of AB. So this piece and this piece are the same length. I'm going to label them both X. Then it says that B is the midpoint of AC. So this is cutting this into two equal pieces as well. And they tell me that BC is 5. That's this distance here. They want us to find the length of the whole line. Well, if this tick mark is 5, then we know that this is also 5. And if we add those together, we know that X equals 10. And then this would also be 10. So this is 10 here as well. So the distance all the way across here is going to be 5 plus another 5 plus 10. Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20 for the length of AB. So we have to recognize what words like bisect and midpoint mean. They end up meaning the same thing. It's a point exactly in the middle between two other points.